Hi guys, Boris Dorf from LBC Capital Income Fund. I'm the guy that will pay you 8% per year on your money through our fund. Today I want to talk to you about BRICS, end of the dollar, and the whole money system. There has been a lot of news lately about BRICS, a lot of conspiracy theories and a lot of scarce talk about ending of the dollar. So some of you may heard this term, BRICS. This is alliance of world economies, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and the latest talk is to have Saudis join BRICS, Argentina, some other countries, and of course they have other misfits like North Korea and Iran unofficially trading with these countries. So really the idea of BRICS is nothing new. These countries, they want to trade in their own currency. They want to get rid of the US dollar. Over the past few years, China and Russia have almost ended dependency on dollar currency reserves. US was one of the biggest holder of US debt, of US dollar. Now they're divesting. So we have this new monster that's going to end the dollar, BRICS, right? Well, like I said, there's nothing new about BRICS. It's an old organization. Russia has been trying to trade with China in yuan or ruble or whatever garbage currency they had at that time. Or plain old barter. We'll give you oil, you'll give us chips, or you'll give us shoes or flip-flops. So now it's a little bit more organized. Other countries have joined. But before, like all this talk, if you remember, there was European Union. Not only that they traded with each other, they created their own currency. Euro is pretty strong. So all the European countries adapted, I forgot when, same currency, right? Euro. And in 2008, when we had a market crash, real estate market crash, it was supposed to be the end of United States as a dominant, of US dollar as a dominant currency, because everything came crashing down and they said, hey, this is when Europe is going to take over. This is when euro is going to be reserve currency. What happened? We sneezed. They shit themselves, really. It's not, I don't disagree with the ending of US dollar as a reserve currency. You can read a lot on it from Ray Dalio. He has a book out called End of the World Order. I never read anything with that title unless it's written by somebody like Ray Dalio. I agree with him. I disagree with him on the timelines. I think your grandkids will be okay. At least your kids will be okay. You know, my timeline is really, I think it's not happening in the next 50 years. There's a lot of tools, there's a lot of things that we can do as a dominant reserve currency country. I know you're reading and everything is miserable and we have a huge budget deficit and we're printing too much money, but let me tell you, we can print a lot more. It's not good, but it's not gonna end dollar as a reserve currency. Everybody still needs the dollar. And if you want to go back a little more, there is another precedent, that's Japan. I came to the United States in '92, we came to Los Angeles, and there was all this talk about Japanese taking over Los Angeles. They bought a lot of real estate. They owned half of the Century City and half of downtown LA real estate. Okay, where's Japan now? We don't know. It wasn't an alliance. It was just one hugely successful economy. BRICS, is it a threat? Sure. Not now. They still need US dollar to trade. You cannot peg prices to anything but US dollar, right? You cannot. How do you peg the prices if you're trading in rubles or bitcoins or North Korean, Chinese yuan, right? So we had a lot of this talk for the past 10 years about Bitcoin taking over. A lot of talk, no substance. Our monetary system and Our monetary system and economy is still extremely strong, strongest in the world. Yes, we see a clear second in China, but you guys will be okay, and stop reading conspiracy theories. Anyways, thank you. I'll see you next week.